Hello guys, this is Michael and welcome to another episode of Pinoy Unboxing from PinoyUnboxing.com. Today we're going to unbox the KFC Hearty variety meal, and which it includes the medium-sized mashed potato, one small box of popcorn chicken, 5 pieces of hot and spicy chicken drumlets, and 6 pieces of spicy chicken. Spicy and crispy chicken. Okay, let's unbox for the drumlets. Okay. And for the popcorn chicken. Nom nom. And last but not the least is the 6 pieces chicken. That's it. God bless.